everyone. So today I'm back with an interesting topic, that is diabetes friendly meals. So when you say diabetes friendly meals, you might be tired of high sugar levels in the morning. So here's one breakfast step that will definitely help you. So try this option: moong chila plus mint chutney plus 1 teaspoon of ghee. Yes, you heard it correct. 1 teaspoon of ghee. How this will help? Because all these combinations, it's rich in high in protein, low glycemic index, and definitely better for blood sugar control than poha or toast that you generally opt. So tag a friend or share this reel with anybody in your family and get 3 consultations for free.